Hi, I'm Terry Kaus. I'm from Northeast Healing Arts, and I'm an internationally certified Touch for Health instructor. If you're watching this video, you've probably signed up for one of my workshops. I'd like to show you the old book. This is the old Touch for Health book from the 1970s that Dr. Thie wrote. It's very loved. I've spilt coffee on it, blood, sweat, and tears. I've learned a lot from this book. It's an amazing book. However, this book is no longer in print. They have a few used ones on YouTube or on eBay or whatever. Don't buy the old one, buy the new one, okay? This is the book that I want you to get. It's called Touch for Health, the Complete Edition, and it was revised by Dr. John Thie and his son Matthew. I'm going to show you inside there's a muscle reference section from page 95 to 229, and there's these little tabs that will show you each of the muscles that we're going to be learning in the Touch for Health seminars. When you buy the book originally, it's not going to have these tabs cut out. So I'm going to show you what your book will look like when it arrives. It will look like this. There's just these really light lines. All you do is take your scissor and just cut straight up and straight over, and then it will create the tabs that I showed you in this book, okay? What I like to do is I like to put packing tape on them, and that helps reinforce. If you would like to get more information about the seminar, if you're not already signed up, why don't you go below? There's a link to my website. Like me on Facebook, and I'll see you in a workshop soon.